Hey my loves, this is Sanjana. Welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another video. Well, if you are new here, if you are seeing this face for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video. Well, coming back to today's video is going to be a little bit different because I usually shoot my videos in the daytime and it is currently 10:30 p.m. and I am here sitting in my robe filming this video for you guys because I have seen the viral hack on the internet, like where girls just put a piece of cloth, like any kind of cloth, and they just pin it on the center of their head and they just wrap their hair and just tie it up, and in the morning the hair turns into beautiful curls, you guys. So I was very excited seeing the hack and I also wanted to try this, and so I just thought let's just film this video and show you guys if this works, yes or no for me. So I'm gonna film this and in the morning I will show you if this works or not. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, so for the hack, I have already parted my hair from the middle and I am taking this piece of cloth. I hope you can see it well. By the way, don't mind the sweat, you guys. I hope you can notice I'm sweating like hell because it is really hot in here and the fan is off because I am just filming and I'm sitting in my robe. So don't mind that and please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Now coming back to the hack, I really talk too much. Well, I chose this one because this one just the only cloth left clean in my house. Well, just Indian things. Well, I am now just pinning it on my center of my head. Okay, so once it is set on my head, now I'm just, oh, by the way, you have to make your hair before doing this hack a little bit wet, like a semi-wet condition. But my hands are really sweaty as hell. Well, that was gross, if you know what I mean. My hair is already semi-wet. So moving on to the hack, I will just twist this cloth like this, and I will choose little strands of my hair so that the curl, if this works, becomes like more prominent. So I will just wrap it all over the cloth.
A few inches later.
Okay, so I'm done with my one side and my arms are literally sore and I have to do the second side, you guys. So I will do that and we'll come back.
One eternity later.
So So finally I'm done with two sides of my hair, and that was a legit arm workout, you guys. Like, you can do hairstyling and workout at the same time. My arms are literally sore, and here how it looks, it kind of looks cute and funny at the same time. Well, don't mind, it's their time, so they are just barking. They're also filming and now I will just tie up and we'll come back. Here how it looks after tying up the whole thing. As you can see, I think it's looking kind of cute, and it looks like a 90s hairstyle. And let's wait for the morning, and let's wait for the result, that if this works or not. Well, it was a really fun thing to do, and now I have to remove my makeup first, and then I have to go to sleep. So bye for now.
The next day.
What's up, you guys? Good morning, and I'm back as I promised. Well, I just did again my makeup, and I just put on my robe again because I thought t-shirt may just crush the whole thing up. And this is how it looks like after sleeping in this condition. Okay, first of all, this was a bit of uncomfortable, like sleeping in this condition, because so much of clips and so much of like tie-ups in my head, and I'm not used to like sleep in this condition. I just do simple loose braids and just go to sleep. So this was a little bit uncomfortable, but yeah, we will see if this works or not.
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, so here's the final look. You can see the curls are super duper prominent and bouncy and playful, and I really like this hack. Like, I'm literally impressed, and I didn't think that this would work so well on my hair, and I did this 100 out of 100 because this hack is so good and it will protect your hair from heat. But I don't think the curls will be so much long lasting. I think if you don't use a hair setting spray, then it would only last for 1 to 2 hours, but okay, that's a decent time. And if you use a setting spray, then I think this will work like for all day long, and this is a great hack. But there are some pros and cons of the hack, so I will mention it in the next clip. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed. If you did, then please give me a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video, and do let me know in the comment section below, do you like this hack or not. And share this video with your friends who like curly hairs. And you can also follow me on social media. I will put up my ID right here, so you can follow me, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.